Back to school umbrella. Will it DTF? Let's find out. When I thought about this item, I was thinking about the playground monitors or the crossing guards that hang out in the sun. And in Arizona, they need some protection. Now, umbrellas use different fabrics. In this case, it's a fabric called pongee with a Teflon coating. But I am slightly concerned that the waterproof nature of umbrella fabrics will hinder the transfer stickiness. Let me know what you think is gonna happen in the comments. And while you're down there, click the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any back to school Will It DTF tests. Another thing I'm not sure about is how this fabric will hold up to the heat. We're gonna start small and not too hot with our Cricut Mini heat press. Okay. There are 3 temperature settings on the Cricut Mini heat press. I've used it for some other projects. This is the lowest setting. I think it runs around 260 degrees, give or take a little bit. But you just want to kind of move it slowly with pretty firm pressure. As we found out in some of our other videos, pressure is a really, really big factor in how well the DTF adheres. Seems like the fabric is holding up okay. I'm not smelling any burning smells or seeing it change or discolor or anything like that. Let's see where we're at. Other than it being hot, it's not sticking super well. I'm gonna try to bump the heat up one more notch on the Mini Cricut and we'll see if that works. Okay, I've gone up to the next heat setting. Hopefully this won't hurt the umbrella. And I'm putting some pretty firm pressure on it. And I can see, I don't know if you can see from any of the cameras, there's kind of like, it almost looks like a drop shadow showing up above the text DTF Superstore. And I think that's the adhesive, like actually kind of like almost smearing a little bit. So let's cool this off a little bit and then we'll try to peel it and see what happens. I'm not feeling super confident about this one. It worked. I really did not think that was gonna work. I thought the waterproof nature of the fabric was gonna not let this adhere to it. No, that feels good. I know all you superstitious people are freaking out right now. It's fine, don't worry, it's okay. All right, I'm gonna put a few more graphics on this and I'll come back to you in a second. So umbrella, will it DTF? It absolutely does. This is a great way to show your school spirit while also protecting yourself from the sun or the rain, which we don't see much of in Arizona. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow morning for another Back to School Will It DTF.